Fairfax County's Noman M. Cole Jr. pollution control plant is celebrating 50 years in operation. When opened in 1970 as the Lower Potomac Pollution Control Plant, it replaced dozens of small plants spread throughout the county. Now, 50 years later, our wastewater treatment facility uses advanced treatment technologies to reclaim water that meets or exceeds all regulatory requirements. The hard work of all past and present employees has helped improve the environment and enhance the quality of life in Fairfax County. Noman Cole takes pride in assisting residents, promoting teamwork, continually improving processes, and protecting local waterways. Congratulations, Noman Cole, on 50 years of operations, and thank you to every employee for your hard work and dedication to protecting human health and the environment.